Welcome back to Anna Mukbang. Today is typical Korean dish, like ordinary people eating. This is the fried tofu, the ham, the seaweed, roasted seaweed, egg. Can you see? And this is Napa cabbage, the 된장 soup we call 배추국. The soup base is the soybean paste. Okay? Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Let's dig in because I'm hungry. This is not fancy. It's regular. Tofu. Ham. Just regular sandwich ham. I don't like to use the spam. So tasty. All made by me. You know this kimchi mixture with the kakdugi, the radish, and then the scallion. So good. Well fermented. I'm gonna put some ketchup there. Whole food ketchup. Okay. You know, I have two bowls of rice. You know, I wanted to do this kind of ordinary, you know, 밥상. We call all the dish we call 밥상. Pop is pop rice, and sang is the table. You know, Korean used to eat on the ground. You know, we sitting on the ground. There's no like table or chair. Only table now. Only table, and we sit on the ground. When my son was young, baby, I was afraid my son was eating at the table, so I got rid of all the table and chair. We used to sit on the ground and ate it. So good. So hot, so good. You know, I told you Sunshine, she passed away. No longer she exists. She died on June 2nd. Today is June 6th, Monday. I'm kind of sad. Before she died, she was really sick. Maybe she was too old. I don't know. She was really healthy, and then all of a sudden she got sick. I don't want to talk about sunshine because I'm so sad and then I will be crying. I'm holding my emotion now. So good. This is the Korean way of eating. Okay, we have rice cook, which is soup, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I have only 5 dish for the side dish, but then sometimes I have more. Korean food equal main dish and side dishes. We love to eat a lot of side dishes along with the main dish. So good. So good. I'll see you part 2. See ya.